que fue el 15 de
2012 Toyota Camry, we are doing a backup cam. Customer purchased an Android radio. We already have it installed. So we're going to do a backup cam right here. First thing you will have to do is remove the license plate first. Okay, so you have to remove all the plastic clips. There's an open zone. All these sets is away. It's on the back side and on top. So you turn off. This is going to remove from the back. After you remove that, the back panel comes out. I'll have them do it. They're good people. Alright, so this is a reverse light in the trunk lip. There is two wires. There are two wires here. One is white, the other one's red. And the reverse light, you can use a simple test light or voltmeter. The one with white black trace towards the light is, if you go the other side, it's reversed. See how this one, they're not smart people. So this is red here, white on the other side. White on here, red on the other side. So if you're going to the light bulb side, it's the white wire. If you are going to the car side, it's the red wire. Either somebody screwed up, or that's the way it is. So just make sure you are grabbing the positive side to trigger the backup cam. I'm making a hole. The back of the license plate. On the back of it, there is another layer, so we're going to have to make another hole on this corner because there's no exit point from there. So we are making another hole somewhere on this side. Silicone or you can put them on it and mount it right here. So this is a power connection which goes to the reverse light and the RCA, which is going to run straight up to the front. Now, a lot of people ask me, what do I do with this red wire? This is going to be a trigger wire, so when you put gear in reverse, you connect this one to the reverse light wire here. So this actually enables the backup cam on the back of the radio, and that also need to get power for the backup cam. So again, this red wire from the RCA, this red wire for the power supply for the cam, tied together, that connects to the reverse wire, which happens to be white black on this back of the plug here. The other one is a ground, so that goes to the ground. Now, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't, you would have to move this one to the metal part of it, that's the ground. Most of the time, most Japanese cars, you just got to put power in the ground, it works. But American cars, especially Chrysler, doesn't always work that way. So if you have an American car, you better try before you pack it up, make sure that signal is okay. If not, you're going to have to ground this one to the metal or put a relay harness on this one. So we are running this wire behind this carpet trunk liner, they call it, and run it all the way up to the front. This is an Android radio. To get to it, you're going to pop out this air vent. Bottom comes out, and it should be 4 10 mils holding onto the radio. As I said, you pop out this air vent, you pop out the heater control, remove 4 10 mils, radio comes out. You need this backup cam little harness there, and we ran the RCA from the back. As I said, this red wire is connected to the reverse wire in the back. Then that's gonna be the trigger wire for the backup cam. And you plug this one in. And this will be the trigger wire that goes to the reverse trigger wire, which happens to be brown wire here. So you put clay here so you don't get water. You do the same on the other side.
Que fue el 15 de